Good evening, everyone. Here, this is Ace Hathaway again. I did not do an unboxing video of the MP handcuffs, and I apologize not making any videos for a while. So these are MP handcuffs here, and they do not have the slot lock here. It's your finger activated lock right here where my finger is, and it's locked up and won't get any tighter because on the on the standard handcuffs, if you forget to put the double lock, you're in trouble. So that's why a level lock is always a good idea. Yep, so this is the MP logo right here. Yep, it will flip around. Yep. And I still like MP handcuffs. I'm going to try to get myself a melanite pair eventually, but not right now because I don't have much money. But when I do, I'll let you guys know what color I get or not. Excuse me. Excuse me again. So we'll talk to you later, guys, and have a good evening. And this is going up to YouTube now.